Last time I was in Morocco, we went to the seafood restaurant that everybody recommended. I mean, at first impression, the place is crowded. It's not the cleanest place, I would say, but the food was just excellent. Everything we tried was great, but the tagine of mussels, or tagine del Buzrook, was just the highlight. It was just amazing. We finished the thing, we cleaned the tagine with the bread. It was just fantastic. And so today I want to make it for the channel because I think it's great and I want to share it with all of you. And so let's do it. We start with 1 kilo of fresh mussels with shells, which is roughly 2 pounds. That's going to yield about 250 grams or 9 ounces of mussels. First, if you find any closed mussels, that means it's likely dead and you should throw it away. Most mussels are easy to pull out of the shell. You don't need a tool or anything. Some mussels have beards, which is a bizarre sentence to say, but if you see any of these green threads, just pull them out gently. Now coat the bottom of your tagine with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and put the heat at medium-low. Add 3 crushed garlic cloves and a big pinch of chili flakes. Wait for the garlic to get some color and then add a quarter of a preserved lemon. If you don't have preserved lemons, here's a link on how to make them. Next is half a teaspoon of sea salt, quarter of a teaspoon of black pepper, quarter of a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Mix and cook for 2 minutes, and then add 250 grams or roughly 9 ounces of tomato puree. Then add 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley. Mix everything, cover, and cook for 5 minutes. Now add the mussels and about 4 tablespoons of hot water. Cover and cook for 20 minutes. After that, remove the lid. Reduce the heat to low. And just keep reducing until you get a paste-like sauce. Once in a while, make sure to move the mussels around so nothing burns. Decorate with lemon slices. And garnish with some chopped parsley. Serve with some hot bread and enjoy. Thank you for watching. This is a quick tagine to make, but it's very delicious. And so I hope you make it at home. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll leave all the ingredients right below this video. And I'll see you next time. Take care.